Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be seeing the important questions from homeopathic materia medica for first year BHMS. So, this is for your university examination, but all those important topics, if it is included in your semester examinations, you can consider doing these topics more importantly than the rest ones. But you should do each and every, you should have some idea, at least one main line of that drug. So main symptom of that drug you should be knowing, but these are some important ones which are really helpful. With you should be well prepared for these questions for your university examination, and with these questions or with these drugs for your any semester exams also. So if we'll see, according to university examination, homeopathic materia medica is for 100 marks, by which some basic topics like these are the basic topics like the sources, types of homeopathic materia medica, then biochem theory, and then biochemically the history of the biochemic system of medicine. So these things are very basic, like defined remedy, medicine and drugs. So these are very basic topic, and it carries 24 marks out of 100. Okay, so these things are very important, by which 4 marks MCQ will be asked, 2 SAQ and 1 LAQ will be asked. Okay, so in homeopathic materia medica drug, we'll see homeopathic medicine. Okay, so homeopathic medicine, all those 40-50 drugs which we have in homeopathic medicine in our first year, so it carries 54 marks. Okay, by which 4 MCQ, 4 SAQ and 3 LAQ. So that drug picture carries these many marks. And the biochem, so chem system medicine carries 22 marks. So you can see 22 marks, and for basic topics which is very easy and scoring, it carries 24 marks, and the half ratio is of homeopathic medicine. So in biochemic we have 2 MCQ, 2 SAQ and 1 LAQ. If you have not seen the paper pattern, then you can check that video out. Now we'll see the important questions. So first we'll see important questions from basic topics, and if these topics, any of these topic is included in your SEM examination, so consider learning these topics firstly and importantly with well preparation. So first is sources of homeopathic materia medica. So this can be asked for 10 marks also in LAQ. And types of homeopathic materia medica, I have already uploaded video on sources of homeopathic materia medica, and will be uploading video on types of homeopathic materia medica. So these two are very much important questions, okay, from homeopathic materia medica. Then history, or we can say theory of biochemic medicine, is very important from basic topics. Then this question has been asked in paper 2024. Then difference between biochemic medicine and homeopathic medicine, this is very important. Then scope and limitations of homeopathic materia medica. So from the basic topics, these topics are very much important, and it carries 24 marks. So out of 24 marks, I can assure that 15 marks will be surely from these, or 15 to 20 marks will be from these topics only, and 4 marks के तो MCQ है वैसे भी कुछ. So these topics are very important. Then we'll see full drug picture, which is important for LAQ. So these drugs are important. It can be asked for full drug picture, and it can be majorly asked for LAQ. So these drugs are very much important to do for your university examination, and if you are having this in your any semester exams. So this is very important drug. You should be well prepared with this drug. Firstly is calcarea carb, and from that calcarea carb also baby and female is important. This question has been asked in 2024. Then nitrium mure ka mind is very much important, and nitrium mure full drug picture, and in that mind. So this can be asked in SEQ also, but these drugs are of full drug picture, and it is important. Then Cilicia, baby and GIT is important. Sulfur, skin, body and mind is important. Aconite ka mind and fever is important, and which I have marked red. You have to be very much prepared with these drugs. Then arsenic album is a full drug picture, and uska full drug picture hai, and iska bhi mind is very important. Then belladonna is again a full drug picture, and it is very important. And in viva questions also, these two drugs are majorly asked, these which I have marked with red, and these are very much high yield questions, and in the practice also it is important. Then ignatia ka mind very important. Whichever drugs I have marked with the red colored, red star question, red star topics are very important. Lycopodium में mind and GIT is very important. Nux vomica, again for full drug picture, GIT and mind is important. Pulsatilla, I cannot stretch this. Pulsatilla is so important in viva also and in theory also, and this question has been asked in colleges also, college examination. And when you will be studying gynecology in your second year and third year, so there also we will be needing pulsatilla in gynec and obstetrics. So OBGY के लिए and gynec के लिए this drug is very important, and उसका भी female genital organs are important for gynecology and obstetrics. Then ipecac. So no one ever thought कि ipecac will be so important, and people didn't thought, we didn't thought like कि this question ipecac will be asked in SAQ also, but this question has been asked in 2024 for LAQ. So ऐसे अनप्रिडिक्टेबल क्वेश्चंस भी आ सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टू, एज आई सेड, वी हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड विथ ईच एंड एवरी ड्रग. यू शुड बी नोइंग एटलीस्ट अ मेन गाइडिंग main thing which it covers, main sphere of action or main guiding symptom of that particular drug or of each and every drug. But these things are important ones, okay? But you should be prepared with each and every drug. Then Brownia alba is also important. It has been asked in paper 2024. So 24 का पेपर मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, it was so different than what we had expected. So yeah, we'll see SAQ now. So for SAQ, Baraita carb is important. In Baraita carb, baby is important. Okay, they can ask guiding symptoms of baby of Baraita carb. Then calendula की injury of calendula. Okay. Then उसके बाद hypericum की injury is very much important. Then Ruxtox is again a very important drug. उसमें injury और rheumatism important है. So Ruxtox is very important. Then Sina and Chamomilla. Why I have written this together is because of both the drug, babies are important. Then they can tell कि compare the baby of Sina and Chamomilla. So because they are little bit similar to each other, so you should be knowing what is the similarities and difference between the Sina baby and Chamomilla baby. So it is important. Then Colocynth for colic and Jalsemium is very much important. Podophyllum का GIT is important. ये SAQ में आ सकता है कि explain the GIT of Podophyllum. Okay. Then Ethusa cynapium, very important drug. In that baby and GIT is important. Antium crude, borax, again very important drug. Baby and female is important. Then Euphrasia, Hepar sulf का skin and GIT important है. Hepar sulf की skin is very much important. Then nitrium carb and carbowitch, and it has been asked in paper 2024. And ammonium carb is very much important. इसकी respiration आई थी 2024 में. So this was it about the important questions. I hope it helped you all, and if it helped you all, consider subscribing to our channel, and I hope कि it really adds some value to your studies. And my aim is to take this channel, I want to help people, and I want to make a society of BHMS. So I want to make BHMS students strong. I want to make this community strong. So if you will share this video with your friends and take this channel to help me to grow this channel, so that I can achieve my aim to represent BHMS. Because as you all know, people don't know about BHMS. So that's it. We'll be talking about this thing in another video. So thank you for watching.